made homemade cough syrup from the leftover cranberry pulp I had when making my cranberry juice. You guys have been asking, all the comments have been filled with, what did you do with that pulp? Yes, I made cough syrup. It's wintertime. You know, I'm going to need it at some point. So I took the pulp, I blended that up, and then I'm going to blend it to a consistency that I like. I'm still going to have to blend it on later because it's almost smooth, but we're going to start here. So I took that blended up pulp, poured it in a pot. I'm going to use some lime juice because I don't have any more lemon juice. I'm going to use some ginger and cinnamon, which both have health benefits such as immunity, heart health, metabolism, all that great stuff. So then I'm going to add in some honey. Honey is good also because it has anti-inflammatory properties as well as it's a cough suppressant, and that's what we need in our cough syrup. Yes, you did see me throwing a splash of whiskey in that last clip. My mom always used to do it, so I just do the same. I bring this to a simmer, and once it's cooled down, you now have cough syrup. So now I'm ready for the winter season. As soon as I get a little I have my cough syrup ready. All right, y'all, bye.